Hey everyone, it's JD with Cubes here, and today we have an unboxing from Amazon.com. There is two 2x2s and one 3x3. There's a Moyu Olong, a Moyu Lingpo, and a Dyne 2x2. Books in here. So here we are. So apparently this one came with D-Fanty X cube stand, and that's weird. Felix Zemdegs isn't on here anymore. I don't know who that is, but Felix isn't on the packaging for that. Here's Diane 2x2. And Moyu Olong. Let's see. Let's see if Felix is on this one. Nope. So, looks like either someone broke the world record or I don't know, but yeah, Felix isn't on there. I'm probably the least excited for it. And just open this up. Wow. That's a lot quieter than my last 2x2. But you can hear a lot of spring noise. And normal color scheme. I don't know if I like these shades or not. It's pretty loose. You can see, and this is just a black plastic Diane, and for the cord it has black plastic as well. Next, Moyu Lingpo. Let's see if I can get this cube stand off. I don't really care about the package, so get off. I'll get all the tape off of it. And it just says D-Fanty X, not really sure. Okay, but into it. Oh, okay, so it still has Felix on the pamphlet. Okay, let's go ahead and take that out. And let me kind of organize myself. Okay, so this, I got this in Stickerless because I wanted a stickered 2x2 and Stickerless 2x2. I just decided to get my Moyu in Stickerless because Stickerless cubes are legal in competition now, and I just kind of wanted this in Stickerless. Okay. That turns really good. Moyu logo. Typical Moyu shades with their super bright set. The core looks to be either white or primary plastic. Oh wow. You can easily get 180-degree turn. Let's check out the corner cutting on both of these. So we'll try out 45. I probably need to loosen this because the Lingpo cannot do a 45 on this side. Let's try red. Okay, that was effortless. This one wasn't. So it can cut 45. Let's try over 45. How about reverse? Reverse is pretty good. It's like half a QB maybe. Alright, and on this, I feel like I'm liking the Diane so far, but that might change. Yep. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be a problem. That just had a really nasty pop. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be an issue. Okay, well, good chance to look at the corner pieces. It just looks like a Zanchi, but the corner is huge because this is a 2x2. It looks like a Zanchi. And then the edges, again, it just looks like a Zanchi. It has a little torpedo in it. Okay, so there's that. That popped really easily. So apparently, oh. Yeah, never mind, this corner custer's fine. I guess I just wasn't like holding it right. Maybe I was gripping it weird, but yeah, corner custer's fine. Anyway, on to what I've been waiting for. The Olong. I've heard a lot about this cube. It's supposed to be really good. Let's see. Pamphlet, Felix, anywhere. Nope. Oh, that's cool. So I guess it shows a lot of MoU products. It shows 3x3, 2x2, 4x4, 5x5. I don't know what this is. That might be the 13x13. I think it is. Okay, anyway. Here it is. And right away, you can see bubbles in the stickers. Come on, get some glare. Actually, let me take it out of the packaging. Okay, that took a lot of effort. Okay, let's see it. Wow. Very looby on the outsides. I'm gonna have to dry that off. I almost can't control it because it's so fast. Oh my gosh. Let's just see what the shades look like. Wait. The 2x2 looks a little brighter, but that's really fast. And it looks like it doesn't. I've seen a lot of videos where it has a little protective cover over the logo, but mine just seems to be a sticker. And never mind, there's only a little bubble in the yellow sticker, but you can't really see it. Doing anti-soon, you can kind of just flick it to do the U2. So, wow. Let's see, tensions. It's medium. Here, let's look at the pieces. And I can't pop an edge out, like corner cutting. Probably need to loosen this though. But it still can cut over 45 with tight tensions. That's pretty impressive. Oh. That's very nice. Let's see what it looks like all scrambled up. Gosh, this is so good. If you've never felt an Olong, you need to feel one. Like, it's so good. I've heard the Olong version 2 is faster, but I don't want to get it because I don't think I can control it. If we can pop an edge out. Oh, there we go. Let me get that. Okay. So this is what an edge piece looks like. And it is a two-piece assembly. You can see the little line. This reminds me a little bit about the Olong I have. And a corner. Take this corner. The cube indents are pretty big right here. And the corner, that's what the corner looks like. Three-piece assembly. Same thing. Can't get it apart right now. If I can pop these back in. Okay. I hope I don't put these in the wrong way. And this feels like a really stable mechanism because it was super hard to pop. But that's probably just because how tight it is right now. I hope I can get this edge back in. Oh, the torpedoes go so deep. It's so hard. Yeah, okay, there we go. I was going to show my friend this, but I don't think I will because he's probably going to take it, to be honest. I'm not the fastest 3x3 solver. I'm actually really slow. My personal best is 33 seconds. I got into speed cubing not too long ago, so I have intuitive F2L with no look ahead right now. And if you're going to ask where I learned my F2L, I learned it from Paradox Cubing. Great tutorial. I could actually understand it. Wait, what's in wrong? Nothing, I just flipped this edge. Okay, that sucks. Okay, there we go. And it looks like I twisted a corner. Wait. Yep. Oh, speaking of corner twists, the issue with the last Olong, what? Okay, anyway, the issue with the last Olong V2 or V1 was corner twist. And if you already didn't know, it cost Felix Zemdeg's a world record at the time. Even if he didn't get a corner twist, Colin Burns would have still beat the record, so it doesn't matter as much anymore. Let's take a look at the checkerboard. I do like these shades because I really like bright colors. The green, I like green a little bit brighter though. Like that green right there, I like that green. And a little cube stand, that's pretty nice.